You know how I know I've had too much to drink? I'm more than willing to poke at the ugly green things. Hello, ugly green thing. He looks like a leaf. Hello. He says, don't bother me. I think that's a locust. Or possibly not. I don't know. He flies. Except for when I'm touching his back. Smile, you're on candid camera. Dun 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 dun. Okay, I poke you one more time. Say bye-bye. Oh. I can't get good light. He's pretty big, though. Say, see you later. No more candid camera for me. Bye-bye.